My name is Tony. I'm one of the instructors here at Forklift Training, and today I'm going to show you how to pick up a load from the ground level, reverse it back through the chicane using a pedestrian pallet truck. First thing I'm going to do is raise the forks up inch off the floor, releasing the handbrake by pulling the tiller arm forward, gently driving up to the load, stopping my 6 inches away from the load, putting the handbrake on, lowering the forks down. Now I'm going to release the handbrake again and gently enter the load. To fully insert the fork arms all the way, making sure that the load goes all the way back to the heels of the forks. Once I've inserted the forks, put the handbrake back on, raise the load up. Now I'm going to reverse it back through the chicane, looking in the direction I'm travelling. So again, twisting my body around so I can see behind myself. Again, slowly accelerating in reverse. First, bring up my first corner here. Turning the wheel very, very slowly, going through nice and gently. Keeping the truck moving nice and slowly going through.